प्रियम्बल से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस को अटेम्प्ट करने के लिए सबसे पहले इंपॉर्टेंट है आपको प्रियम्बल वर्ड टू वर्ड याद होना बहुत जरूरी है। जस्ट लाइक फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज द करेक्ट ऑर्डर मेंशन इन प्रियम्बल ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? सो द आंसर इज बी, सोवरेन, सोशलिस्ट, सेक्युलर, डेमोक्रेटिक। जब आपको प्रियम्बल वर्ड टू वर्ड पूरा याद होगा तभी आप इन टर्म्स को एक करेक्ट ऑर्डर में अरेंज कर पाएंगे। नेक्स्ट, द एक्सप्रेशन सोशलिस्ट वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस इन द प्रियम्बल ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बाय विच अमेंडमेंट? 42nd Amendment 1976. Next, which part of the Indian Constitution has been described as the soul of the Constitution? The preamble. C answer. Next, which among the following is not mentioned in the preamble to the Constitution of India? We have social, economic and political justice, but religious justice is a wrong answer. So the answer is D. Next, how many types of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity in that order have been mentioned in the preamble of Constitution of India? We have 3 types of justice: social, economic and political justice. We have 5 types of liberty: liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. We have 2 types of equality: equality of status and opportunity, and we have 1 fraternity. So the answer is A, 3, 5, 2, 1. Next, the goal of constitution is to secure or assure all its citizens social and economic justice, correct. Liberty of thought and expression, correct. Equality of opportunity, correct. Dignity of the individual, correct. So all are correct. Answer is D. Next, in which of the following cases the Supreme Court regarded preamble as part of the basic structure of the Indian Constitution? Answer is D, Keshwanand Bharti case. Next, in which of the following cases Supreme Court held that the preamble forms part of the Constitution? Answer is C, Bommai versus Union of India. In Keshwanand Bharti case, Supreme Court introduced the basic structure doctrine, and this basic structure doctrine used by this S.R. Bommai case, in which this case focused on the misuse of Article 356, that is President rule. And the judgment in Bommai case of Supreme Court is that secularism and federalism are the part of the basic structure of the Constitution. So the answer is C, Bommai case versus Union of India. Next, the objectives of Indian Constitution is reflected in which of the following? Preamble of the Constitution. Next, how many types of justice have been enshrined in the preamble of the Constitution of India? We have 3 types of justice: social, economic and political justice. Next, economic justice as one of the objectives of the Indian Constitution has been provided in the preamble and directive principle of state policy. Next, the preamble to the Constitution of India is a part of the Constitution but has no legal effect. Not a part of the Constitution and has no legal effect. ये तो गलत होता है, because preamble is a part of the Constitution. A part of the Constitution but has the same legal effect as any other part. This is wrong statement. And D option, preamble is a part of the Constitution, yes, but has no legal effect independently of any other part of the Constitution. So the answer is D is correct. कि preamble Constitution का part है, लेकिन preamble Constitution के किसी प्रोविजन, किसी भी पार्ट से independently उसका कोई legal effect नहीं है. So the answer is D. Next, what was the exact constitutional status of India on 26 January 1950? देखिए, C and D तो वैसे ही गलत हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज C में सेक्युलर टर्म आ रहा है एंड D में सोशलिस्ट एंड सेक्युलर आ रहा है, क्योंकि ये सोशलिस्ट, सेक्युलर, इंटीग्रिटी ये 3 वर्ड्स लेटर हमारे प्रेम्बल में ऐड किए गए थे बाय 42nd Amendment 1976 के थ्रू. And the answer A, Democratic Republic, and the answer B, Sovereign Democratic Republic. So the answer B is correct. Sovereign Democratic Republic. Next, the mind of the makers of the Constitution of India is reflected in which of the following? Preamble reflects the mind of the makers of the Constitution of India. So ये सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं प्रियम्बल से रिलेटेड जो हमने डिस्कस किए हैं. अगर आपके पास कोई क्वेश्चन है जो आपको कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो, आप उसमें आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है, सो लेट मी नो, आई विल श्योरली हेल्प यू.